você vai a algum lugar, olha, eu posso te ajudar. Quem eu sou? Quem eu sou? Se precisa chegar lá, e me pode confiar. Quem eu sou? Quem eu sou? Sou o Papa, sou o Papa.
Ooh! We need to figure out where the noise is coming from. It is the sneeze. Achoo! Do you know where the sound is coming from? Yeah! It's coming from Percy and Jack's mansion. I know how to get to Percy and Jack's mansion. To get to Percy and Jack's mansion, first, you need to go over the troll bridge. Ooh, you need to get past his riddles. Then you have to go through the Troublesome Trucks. The Troublesome Trucks will be very troublesome. You have to be careful. Then you have to go through the gate. And that's how you get to Jack and Percy's mansion. So here's what you tell the others. Bridge, trucks, gate, Percy and Jack's mansion. Say it with me. Bridge, trucks, gate, Percy and Jack's mansion. 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 Now you tell the others. First, you go over the troll bridge.